In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this random height animation in Blender. I'm using geometry nodes. Here are the full nodes, and I'll zoom in shortly. The base mesh was a plane, and I have added an icosphere as an instance mesh. It's being distributed on the surface of the plane, and I have added a set material node to add an emission material. This was a material added to the plane. I'm using Eevee with bloom turned on. These are the two nodes that make the random height illusion possible. We can customize the heights by adjusting the random values like this. Let's add a set of random colors as usual. The idea is to keyframe the random value settings to animate the illusion. I'll keyframe the default state to the frame 1, 50, and 100. On frame 25 and 75, I'll change the values and keyframe them. This way, we'll get a looping animation. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.